Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix BFSVC error could not open the BCD template store status c000000f. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Type BCD edit. Find Windows installed drive letter, in my case Windows installed drive letter is C. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is UEFI or GPT. Find system volume, in my case system volume is 2. Type assign letter equal to Q. Type X copy space, X colon / Windows / System 32 / config / BCD minus template space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows / System 32 / config / BCD minus template. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.